and welcome to this very simple, relaxing yoga class. Today you're not even going to have to stand up, you can just remain seated the whole practice. This is a very simple, very gentle yoga practice just to get some kind of movement in the spine and some gentle stretches. So without further ado, grab your mat, have a seat, and let's begin. So coming to a cross-legged position with a long spine, your pelvis tilted forward. Gently close down your eyes and let your hands come to rest on your knees. We'll begin by inhaling, reaching your arms up towards the sky, and exhaling, bringing your hands down through heart center. Feeling peace and stillness. Maybe feeling the gentle rhythm of your heart. Bring your hands to come to rest on your knees, keeping your eyes closed or open, whatever is most comfortable for you. And then we'll take some gentle neck rolls, first going to the right. Inhale as you come around. Exhale as you come back down through center. Moving really slowly, taking your time. You can stop somewhere if it feels good, or just keep going. We'll do one more. All right, and when you come back down through center, switching directions, moving to the left. Inhale as you come up. Exhale as you come back down through center. And again, inhaling. And exhaling. One more. Inhale. And exhale. All right, return to neutral. Inhale, bring your hands up through center. Exhale, plant your right hand about a foot to the right, and inhale your left arm up and over your head, getting a nice stretch through those ribs. Continue to reach with your left arm and allow your gaze to kind of come up towards the sky, keeping your collarbone broad. And exhale back to center, planting your left hand a foot out to the left, inhaling your right arm up overhead. Getting a nice stretch to those right side ribs, breathing space into them, keeping a long spine. Keep your shoulders away from your ears, and just continue to lift and open up towards the sky. Inhale, and exhale back to center. Now we're going to do a seated cat-cow, so just bring your hands to your shin bone, and then on your inhale, lift your chest up, look up to the sky, arching your back. And exhale, rounding your spine, bring your chin into your chest. Inhale, lift up, look up. And exhale, rounding the spine, bringing your chin to your chest. Feeling a nice stretch through your back. Inhale once more, lift up, look up, arching the spine, keeping a long neck. And exhale, rounding the spine, chin to chest. Inhale back to neutral. And from here, just stretch your legs out in front of you. We'll be doing a forward fold. So first inhale, lengthen your spine up. You can even inhale the arms up above. And then exhale, fold over your legs. Letting your arms come wherever they fall, whether that be your knees or your shins or your feet. Just make sure that you're bending from the hips and not curving at the spine. And to do that, you can just keep your gaze long, looking beyond your feet, keeping that nice long spine. And just let yourself be where you are. Wherever you are is where you're meant to be. And the more you do this, the further you'll be able to go, the easier it'll be, and the more comfortable. So just keep breathing deeply into the backs of your legs, your hamstrings, your calves. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. And just sit here for a few more breaths. Inhale, slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time. Bringing your arms to touch above you and exhaling back down through heart center. Now bend your knees and bring your left heel to your right hip, just tucking it under, and step your right leg over your left knee. Make sure both sit bones are grounded onto the mat, and then lift your arms up. Place your right arm right behind your tailbone at the base of your spine, and then hook your left arm onto your right knee. And then inhale, lift, and exhale, twist, looking over your right shoulder. Keeping your gaze soft, you should feel this in the hips, a nice stretch. And a gentle spinal twist. On every inhale, lifting up through your spine, and then exhale, looking over your right shoulder. One more inhale. And exhale, come back through center. You can take a gentle counter twist to the left if that feels good. And then we'll switch sides, so bring your right heel to your left hip. Stepping your left foot over your right knee. Inhaling your arms up above. And then exhale, bring your left hand right behind your tailbone at the base of your spine and hooking your right arm around your left knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, taking your gaze over your left shoulder, keeping a long spine and making sure both sit bones are grounded on the mat. Continue to lift on your inhale and twist on your exhale, keeping a soft gaze with your eyes in line with your nose. Inhale. Exhale back through center. You can take a counter twist to the right if that feels good. And then shake out your legs. Hi, Yankee. Come to sit cross-legged. Closing down your eyes again and bring your hands back to your knees. Take a deep inhale. And an exhale with a sigh. Inhale your hands up above. Exhaling down through heart center. And from here, bring your right hand over your heart and your left hand over your right. Just feeling your heartbeat. Honoring yourself for honoring your body through this practice of movement, breath, and stretching. And just feel the peace and stillness within your body. And see if you can bring this peace with you everywhere you go throughout your day. I'm sending you so much love, and I will see you guys in the next video. So thank you. Namaste.